Alright guys, this is going to be another kind of video. It's not going to be a another gameplay or a car mechanic simulator or something like that. I don't know if you actually know about it or no, but I was doing those kind of videos before, but now I'm doing this. This car was fully wrecked on the right side. The fender, the skirt, the front bumper, they were very much broken, and also the right headlight also. This was a very big job to finish it up actually, because it's not only the outside that I'm going to show you how it looked but it was also the inside. There were some cables that were messed up. There were a lot of stuff that were broken inside also. The new car, guys, it's gonna be on the channel very soon. Alright, so this was very much not calculated. The problem is the support panel is messed up in here. It's not a problem, I knew about it, it's alright. The problem is that for some reason the numbers gave me an other kind of part number, and that was way cheaper than this one. It's double the price. So now I will need to mess around and find myself a new one. It's not gonna be easy, but yeah, we're gonna do that right now. Fender, bumper, the right fog light cover, and those are the mask and the light. So yeah, I still need to buy these, and it's gonna be good. I'm just gonna need to buy them. But it looks so good still, this car. This car, guys, very nice. Let me show you a quick sound test because it's absolutely amazing. We'll get you out on this. It's an aftermarket exhaust. I don't know what. Look at it. Listen to this. It does. Honestly, it's very dirty, but it does sound very good. Alright, I was just messing around with the battery because it was very bad. But now it's good. So we are good to go. But I fixed it, the car is done, and this is how it looks now.
So as you will see, the damage was on this side basically. So this fender was broken from here down, and this whole bumper was very much messed up from here. So this whole right side was just a mess here. There was no headlight in it. I think I have pictures of the actual headlight. This whole top part of the tire just came off and it wrecked the whole everything. It was a bad tire that caused all of this, because the dude didn't get a puncture. He was going with 160 kilometers an hour on the highway, and what happened is the tire got overheated, and because of the bad condition of the tire, so it was very, very bold everywhere, and all the four tires were bad, so it was a disaster to happen basically. But the right side happened only, which was a very fortunate problem, honestly, because if all the four would have done this, I don't know what would have happened. But yeah, I wouldn't be able to be here right now and talk about this, because this car would be scrapped. So basically it fell off and it messed up everything in here, even the skirts. This side basically it was missing, as you will see on the other videos, and the headlight, which was very expensive, honestly. The back of the car was in a very good condition, honestly. There was no problem anywhere. Basically the spoiler works, everything works just fine. The wheels are a bit scratched, but they are TTRS wheels, which means that I basically can't do anything with them, because if I refurbish them, then it might lose a lot of value, and I don't want that. Yeah, so basically this is how it looks right now. It was a very good car. It has a very nice sound, which I will show you right now. It does. Honestly, it's very dirty, but it does sound very good. And yeah, it's gonna be very hard to let her go, because this is honestly a very good car. I never had a TT before. I'm using a Q7, as you will see, which I absolutely love. It has also some quirks which I will need to work on, but my two projects right now are not letting me do that. But I will definitely put some work onto that also, which I might gonna put on YouTube also, if you guys are interested. And also, as you know, maybe if you are an older subscriber from my gaming era, you will know that I have an Audi S5 also that's in the works right now, which is gonna be a very interesting project also. So the S5 is basically it's a very, very big project. I'm not very much involved in it because it's an engine out job, and I just couldn't do that yet. But I did loads of work on the car, body wise, interior wise, and also some like service wise. I just didn't take out the engine, that's all. That's gonna hopefully be done very soon, and I can upload that also, because that's gonna be a very interesting car. And I want to do it in the same place here. But back to the thing why I'm letting this car go is that I'm selling it. So I'm selling the car because I need the money to buy another project car. I think that you guys will be able to understand this. I have loads of other work that I'm doing right now, and this is one of it. Also, I'm going to show you guys a complete spending sheet of the car, because this car was very cheap. It was very, very cheap basically for the damage it had. And I basically repaired it under almost 1,500 euros. I am using forints in here, but I'm going to show you a complete euro conversion also, so you will be able to understand how much everything costs. But yeah, I'm gonna show you it right here exactly. All right, guys, you're not gonna see me right now, but this is the sheet that I told you about. So I bought the car for 5,000 euros, not dollars. I don't know why it is dollars, but let me help it real quick. So it was 5,000 euros that I bought it for. And yeah, so the trailer and the checking of the car, so the trailer and my fuel cost me 212 euros. Then the whole labor that I needed to pay was 95 euros, which included a body shop that was 25 euros. I obviously helped in it because the dude only was trying to match the panel gaps, trying to fix the panel gaps. So that was the only problem that I had after installing everything, because of the hood. And then the service of 70, that was basically it's not labor. I put it at to the labor part, but it wasn't labor. It was basically the oil that I bought. I bought a 5V40 motor engine oil. Then I bought the fuel filter, the oil filter. What else did I buy? Of course, the air filter. And yeah, I bought these.
I fitted I basically did a service on the car, and that's what the service means in there. So I know it's at the labor, but it wasn't a labor, honestly. So yeah, and then at the parts that I actually bought. So on the left side you can see a calculated price that I was thinking about before I bought the car, and on the right side is the actual prices that I spent on the car. So I bought the front bumper for 175 euros. It was a complete bumper. It was cheap, but everything was alright with it. So fortunately, no problems with that. The right headlight, that was one of the most expensive stuff. That was 345 euros. I bought it brand new. Honestly, brand new, not a used one, because a used one I couldn't find one for this. I actually just couldn't find any, and what I found, it was only like 20 bucks or 20 euros cheaper than the new one. So I was like, all right, I'm gonna give it for the new one. The right fender was 200 euros. The right skirt was 50 euros. The tires were 350 euros. That was the second most expensive stuff in it. They are brand new tires, honestly. So I know they are cheap, and I'm gonna tell you that they were on the shelf. That was the only problem with them, but they still had the small little stuff on them, and it was brand new. All of them were brand new. And they are very good tires. They were just from 2020 something, 2021 maybe, or 2. Alright, so I didn't repair the wheels as I told you guys, because my wheel repair guy, or the tire shop dude, who's my friend, told me not to do that, because then the tires are gonna lose value, and as you saw before, they are very expensive if you wanna buy them. The grill, I didn't spend any money because it was included with the front bumper, so I didn't need to spend any money on the grill. Now the front radiator support was 250 euros, and it was broken, so I needed to fix that up also, but that was basically a free fix up that I did. Fortunately, I was able to do it, but yeah, it was 250 euros. I couldn't find any. I basically couldn't find any in Hungary, because a brand new one would have cost me 500. So I was like, I'm not gonna do that. So 250 for the front radiator support. Needed to mess around with it a lot, but I got it. And then for the small screws and patents and stuff that, you know, holds everything together, I spent around 40 euros. But let me see if that's correct, because yeah, 16,000. So yeah, that's around 40 euros. It's a lot, but it was missing a lot of stuff. And all of those screws and patents, everything, guys, everything was like from the OEM. I don't know how to say it in English, but from the factory. There were no replacement or aftermarket, only factory. So I was waiting for all of these stuff around a week to get here, because I needed to order them from factory. That's why they were very expensive. For the setting up of the new tires, so you know, guys, I took it to the tire shop, and the dude put the tires onto the wheels. That was 25 euros for the 4 wheels, and then I fully filled the car up. It was around 60 liters, so 75 euros with the premium 100 octane fuel. That makes the total cost of the parts 1,510 euros. My total spending is 1,817 euros, and yeah, as you can see, I wanted to I had a budget of 7.5 thousand euros. I am very good with it, because I only spent 6,817, so that's very, very good. I saved 682 euros, which was very good. And as you can see, I already put it up there, but I wanted to do a gas all in all. And as you can see, my checkup was 37 euros with the Q7 when I went to Budapest and checked out the car. So yeah, basically this is it.
Yeah, so that's the spending. I don't want to sell a shitbox, basically. This car is perfect. There were more people already that checked out the car. They all liked it. I'm waiting for a call back basically right now, and the car is not even yet on any selling site. So hopefully it's gonna be able to go soon from me. But But yeah, the car is perfect. The damage is all good now. Everything is good. There's no damage. I can assure you, basically. The car is serviced. There is new timing in it. Everything is new in the car. So everything that should be done with a car, is done with this one. And it looks absolutely beautiful. It looks amazing. It's gonna be a definitely good car for the buyer. And as you heard, the sound is also very much perfect. It's just so free flowy. If you put your hand there, the car feels, it sounds and feels very free flowy. It should be 200 horsepower, but I'm gonna be honest with you, I think it's more. Before I'm gonna end the video, I'm gonna show you the engine also. It's very much dirty. It's very dirty, honestly. But yeah, this is how it looks like. There were cable problems here, so this whole heat sensor from the coolant tank was basically broken in half. So I needed to repair that. As you can see, I don't know if you will be able to see something. I'm just gonna bring you closer to me. Maybe you can see that this is shinier. So the oil filter is here, which is new. As you can see, it's shiny. And the complete front needed to be done. So the support panel was changed basically because it was broken in here at the light, and basically that's what happened. It was a very big job. Car is painted and it just needs the front end. That's also painted. I just took it apart because I need to do some stuff, but yeah, we are getting ready to go. This is from a right-hand drive car, so a UK car, but everything was perfect basically. Only I needed to save the hood latch because that was the other side. So yeah, that's I need to save. And also the mask, so the whole mask or grill, however you want to say it, this is also new because the original one didn't broke. It was already broken before the crash. It was broken in here, and it was so much bothering me that I didn't want to use that. I wanted a completely new whole mask, and then I bought this. So yeah, this is the new mask, which I think fits perfectly. This black fits the champagne color perfectly. So yeah, I very much hope that you guys are gonna enjoy this video, and if you will, please consider smashing that like button, subscribe if you haven't already, and just drop a comment in the comment section down below how you like this, what you wanna see next. Maybe drop your car opinions, what I should buy next, and what you wanna see on the channel. And also tell me if you think I'm doing good, because I really want to do this. I really want to get better with this whole video editing, the actual recording and everything. So yeah, I hope this is gonna be a good journey, because I absolutely love rebuilding the car and I love doing the videos. So the S5 is also gonna be a shorter video because I didn't have this DJI that I have right now, so you can hear me better, and I didn't have the stand also, so I couldn't make. I did videos of it. I just didn't make them very good, honestly. So I will try to mash them up in one video, and then you will be able to see maybe more episode videos later on, when I will be actually able to do videos of the car while I'm working on them. I was able to do it on this one, but I didn't have the DJI. I was in front of the house, and there were a lot of cars and stuff, so I decided that I'm just gonna put them into a mashup basically during the video, so you will be able to see what I was doing. So yeah, very much thank you for being here and watching this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, just please support me with the subscribe. So yeah, well, just your view is actually enough for me right now. So I very much thank you for being here again. I hope you had a very good time and you enjoyed it, and I hope you're gonna have a very nice day, weekend, anything that I don't know when I'm gonna put this out. So yeah, just thank you for watching. Just be amazing, and yeah, be here with me in the next one. This is gonna be an Audi S5. So thank you guys. I will see you in the next one. Until then, have a very, very nice day. Stay very positive, and I'm out. Bye bye.